What's up, fine apples? Yes, this is what I look like. Heller. I'm going to be showing you my realistic get ready with me routine. I took a shower and I accidentally clipped my hair, so now it's like all funky. And I'm just thinking, damn. So I want to do this realistic, just chill routine to show you how I personally get ready when I need to get out the door and do all my errands and help my mom out and just do all my stuff. So yes, we're going to be doing it. I personally am just someone where I like to get ready just a little bit so I feel good for the day, because if I run out the door and I feel like sloppy, I don't really feel good, and I get ready for myself, not for others. I just wanted to do a more realistic chill video so I could show you how I spruce up, because I'm sure this could be beneficial to you. If you want to get ready with me, get ready with me. So I'm going to start off with my Supergoop Daily Dose. Always love putting this on. This does have an SPF in it, so I just let this soak into my skin. I do about 4 pumps. It's a really great product, and then I get my vitamin C as well from it. So I'm just going to bring that all over. Now, when I need to get ready super quick, I'm not one where I do foundation. Everybody is different. My chapstick, I've just been using the Sunbum Pineapple. I like it because there's SPF in it as well. Right there. Then I'll just go into my brows. So I've been busy because, if you guys don't know, this is just a Make It Forever brow pencil. I'm almost done with it. This is all I have left, so I'm trying to use it up. It's an old one, but it still works well. So if you don't know, I help take care of my mom. I do all her errands for her, her grocery shopping. I help clean her house. I'm basically like her caregiver. Now, I know some people may think like, oh, why don't you just move her in or whatever? Well, it's not as easy, especially coming from someone who is very independent. She likes her space. She has her routine and all of that. So, which I don't mind, because you guys already know my mom is my number one. And thank you so much for enjoying my Instagram stories with her. She's just so damn cute, I swear. So I'm busy with that. So I help her all the time. I go over almost every other day. So it's a lot. It's not like a quick 1 hour deal. I'm there for like about 4 hours or so. Sometimes I have to bring like my laptop and do my work, but I can't always do my work over there as well. So it has been quite a struggle. I'll just say this right here, like very casually, like if you're watching this video, she's actually going to move in with us. Surprise. But we're looking for a new house. So I've been actually house hunting for the last 6 months. I just never told anybody because I just didn't. Because it's not, there's nothing really to say, and I don't want like the pressures like, did you find a house? Did you find a house or whatever? Oh, I got scratched or something red there. I thought it was maybe like a tidbit of when I was cooking our lunch, which I think it's going to be done very soon. Hold on, let me go check it. I don't want our chicken to burn. Okay, talk about perfect timing. It's going to be ready in 12 minutes. So I'll just do my brows. But yeah, I've been house hunting, but I don't want to put any pressure. I have the brow microfilling pen right here. But yeah, the market is so crazy, and you guys already know, I live in Southern California. Everything is just crazy expensive, and we put some offers and we didn't get them. People are outbidding us, and we have cash offer too. It's just a whole entire thing. But people are spending so much over what the house is worth, and yeah. I just told Glenn we're just blessed to have our house now, and because it's just so unbelievably frustrating for a lot of people who are first-time house buyers, because they're ready now, but now the market just sucks. Then I usually like to clean up my brows. I'll just do like a little underneath right here. But yeah, she is. It'll be much easier on me for her to move in, because I make sure that she has all her meals, her house is organized, cleaning, doing her bathroom a lot, mopping her floors, all that good stuff, which I don't mind, but it is time consuming, you know, especially when I have a lot of other stuff to do, like all my work. I have to keep up. So yeah. Also with Glenn's schedule, he's been working not even like 12-hour shifts. It's been like 13 to 14-hour shifts, and he's worked that every single day, and then every 14th day he gets off. It's madness. And this started March 1st. So now I'm going to take my Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Dewdrops. I'll just do like 1 pump today because I'm going to also put on my moisturizer. I just kind of just pat it all over. I've been really into just glowy fresh skin, and I really like it. You just have to really let this soak in though, because it does have a little bit of stickiness, but it doesn't stay that way. I'll take the Laura Mercier concealer. This one's in 3N, and I like this one because it's not too bright. I have been self-tanning. I use the, where's my little sponge? I've been using this guy. I don't know where he's from, but yeah. And I'll just use this to neutralize my eyelids. And I just take my Seal the Deal. It's just a translucent powder, and I dust just very little on top. I'll curl my lashes. What was I talking about? I know I was talking about the market, how it's just so crazy. And I feel bad because all these people, they want to buy homes, but it's just so impossible. It's so crazy, the amount that people are paying, and California prices are just redonkulous. Oh, that's what I was saying. Glenn's schedule. He's been working crazy amount of hours, and I feel horrible. It's been so hard, and I see Glenn maybe about 1 to 2 hours max a day, if that. Sometimes I only see him for like 45 minutes because he needs to get his rest because he's working every single day, and it's a lot. So now I'm using the Benefit Mascara. At first I wasn't sure about this. I didn't think I liked it, but now I do. It's the They're Real Magnet, and I really, really like it. I do notice with their brush though, with their spiky brushes, that they are a little stiff, where I would be scared if I poked my eye with this. You gotta be careful. But supposedly there's like, literally like magnet something in here. So it elongates the lashes and the mascara extends. But there's no fibers in here, I don't believe. I don't know. There's something about the formula where I saw one of their like videos and they were talking about it, how it like lengthens the lash and the product builds up. But definitely not fibers, because those are not my friend, because I wear contacts and those hurt so bad when they get in your contacts. But yeah, I just thought I would casually throw it out there. I actually have like a really cute video where we ask her to move in with us. And it is a big deal. It's a lot of responsibility on us, and Glenn loves my mom and he doesn't mind, and he actually is the one who brought it up because obviously since he lost his mom, it's sort of like some sort of comfort because he lost his grandma and his mom, and it brings him, you know, like that motherly, not that she would replace his mom ever, but you know, like that having someone there sort of thing. So, okay, already looking much better. I put a little bit of this moisturizer on the outside. It's the Origins Ginseng. It's really good, but I don't put too much because I already have like the booster drops, the serum from Glow Recipe. But the scent on this, it's really just like, oh, invigorating. It says oil-free energy boosting gel moisturizer. It just smells so good. I've used it for probably like 4 or 5 years now. I just love this line. I take my Laura Mercier concealer. I haven't been using too many brightening concealers, just something more on the natural side. And then I'll just take the warmth of my finger and just blend that in. Just like the back in the day, YouTube days, you know, use that fourth finger, use the warmth. I feel like barely anybody does this now. You use like a sponge for everything. I'm just like very careful. But you see, it's like more on the natural side. It's nothing like too brightening where now it looks like I have a triangle and now I need something on the outside, like a darker powder to match or blend it in. So I just do a more natural concealer like this. Something that's no fuss too. And you don't have to use high-end, you guys know. I've just been trying to utilize different products and to see what I really like. But Laura Mercier, I will say, is a brand that I think that really brings out your features more in the natural way. Kind of like NARS products. Like, it's more natural. I mean, NARS can be obviously dramatic, but I feel like their complexion products are just so nice. It's been kind of crazy here. Then I just take the powder again. Because it is hard not seeing Glenn. Like, there's a lot of nights where I miss him a lot. But, and then I'll just go over my nose because sometimes I'll have some redness. But the good thing is I'm obviously really busy. So I'm helping my mom. I'm helping me. I'm cleaning all our house, doing all our grocery shopping, cooking for him, making sure he has everything. And then I have to cook my own dinner. It's just like so much madness. And then I started my dance classes, which I'm just so excited for. Okay, so now I'm going to go into cream blush. I kind of brought the powder a little low. I didn't mean to. Because I like the way this looks just on its own. So I'll just use my fingers, and you barely need, yeah, you barely need any. Even that was too much, but I'll just start blending it out. And this is the Rare Beauty Blush. It is such a good product. Like, it's so, this product is the glowy one because they have a, this is the dewy one. What do they call it? The glow or the dewy? Something like that. See, and it just has like this really nice shine underneath the serum and also on its own. See, so I just kind of like bring it up like that. You guys, my mascara is finally going away. I'm going to show you in my March favorites what I've been enjoying. That's all you need right there. And then I'll just blend out. Warmth of fingers work really well. Don't use a dirty sponge. I've learned the hard way. I had like all my makeup done, and then I went ahead and used a sponge that had like previous powder on it and all that, and I blended it out, and it looked so bad, obviously. But I'm just letting you know, because you know, sometimes you just grab that damn sponge and you're like, all right, I'm just going to use this. And I do have hyperpigmentation, but honestly, I'm not one where I just can't go out, you know? And I do have some scarring from the maskne and up here, but I mean, if you want to cover it up, that's up to you. But see, I just want like a little nice flush. Sometimes I'll put like a little across my face like this, you know, because I'm shy. I'm kidding. Next up, liquid highlighter. I've been obsessed with this one. It's the Mary Do My sorry. The Mary Dumanizer. Now, this is, if you know the Mary Lou highlighter from the Balm, this is their liquid version, and it's really good. It blends out perfect. So I'll just go like that just to bring some light to my face. And when I do this routine, it's pretty quick. And it just blends out. Look at that. So beautifully. And I feel like no one ever talks about the Balm. At least, I don't know. I haven't been watching a lot of YouTube videos. I try to keep up, but it's just so hard. So if you're watching this, thank you, because I know we're all busy. But this routine will help. So I kind of just do a little right there, and just down my nose, because I love to glow. And it's super quick to blend out. Whoop, that was a little too much. And then if it's ever a little bit too much, then, you know, you just kind of wipe it on your pants. Then I'll just take my Lip Stories lipstick. This is from Sephora. It's the Virgo one. It's been my go-to. As you can tell, I love it so much that I bought a backup. It's just a really great formula. Then I'll hit my bottom lashes, which I forgot to do. And let's see, what else is going on? Oh yeah, my dance classes. It's been so much fun. Let me know down below, because I did see a comment saying, can you give a preview? Now that I have all my classes going, I can give you like little previews of different ones, or maybe from one. If you're interested in joining, let me know. Everybody has been having a blast. It's for all levels, even beginner. I have some of you that have been just so excited, and it makes me excited. It's been amazing. I'm so happy that I started it when I did. And even Glenn, like, everybody was like, I wish you would have started this sooner. Like, but it's honestly all timing, and also mine too, because we went through so much for so many years that it was like, there was no way I would be happy and joyful doing this. But right now it's like everything to me. It just excites me. We have our own page, so I can inbox everybody, all that, and then our little polls and messages. So it's like our own dance community. So it's been pretty cool. I love it. But yeah, let me know if you guys want me to do a video on that. Also, I'm going to be bringing back, vlogging. I saw a comment the other day. Someone said, does anybody know why she stopped vlogging? Like, what happened? Life happened. Crazy things happen. You know, when you're just like not in the mood. Okay, so then sometimes I'll bring, oh, really quick. When I do my concealer, I'll bring it on the inside because you have like shadowing there. But sometimes I'll just put a little bit of the liquid highlighter. Don't get in your eye though, okay? Be careful. And I'll just kind of dab it right in there just to give a little bit of a highlight. Not too much, but it does bring some life. I'll just take a big fluffy brush. Not necessarily, you know, I'll use a powder that's like my shade or whatever, but I kind of just, because it's very glowy, you know, but I just kind of dust around my face but not to add any like true color, but just like that. There we go. I'm one of the double curlers. Like I'll go and I'll curl again, but it's okay. Let my lashes suffer. They're actually not doing too bad. Doing pretty good. And I do a double curl. I'm not going to lie and say, oh, don't do that. I don't do that. No, I do it. I mean, yeah, right there. So it's like, whoo, lifts it a little bit more. I just set my face. Lately, I've been using the Milani Make It Last. I really like it because it's really, really strong. As in, it comes out strong. And it just hydrates the face. And then I take my handy dandy crystal fan, which I'm obsessed with. And I set my face and that's it. And then I'll put my hair in a bun, put a cute little pool, a little flower, you know, and I am good to go. But yeah, I just wanted to do a realistic routine. I don't want to, I have a lot of videos set up, you guys, so thank you for being patient with all of that. I have a lot of new drugstore stuff to try, which I am dying to try out because I went to Walgreens too and I found some new stuff. Let me show you one of the things I'm excited for. Have you ever seen these? Kiss has been coming out with some really nice lashes. That's a Walgreens sticker. It's the My Lashes But Better. So I want to try these ones out. You know when you just want like a little bit of flair, like right now, I could just put a little bit of a lash, which I would do, but today I don't really have to. And then for hair, honestly, fun day, bun day. This is like my get ready, like glowy routine. So I still get my skincare in. I have my SPF on. I have a little bit of oomph in my step. So I don't feel so blah, you know, because when I run out, I want to feel a little bit put together. Now, if I didn't have this weird thing right here, I would possibly do like a side braid or whatever, you know, but it's pretty impossible right now. Or sometimes what I'll do is I'll just do like the slick back pony and I'll bring it back here, put a little bit of hairspray, and I'll tie it at the bottom and I'll be done. Just add in a little flower on my bun and see, boom. Ready for the day. But yes, I will be vlogging again. I know that page just, I know. But I know a lot of you also understand. But I'm excited because on that page, I want to do more vlogging. I know you guys miss my mom on there. I know you guys love the mukbangs and all that. So I'm going to do that. And then I also have a Disney page, which I did start. Disneyland is opening. I got opening weekend tickets. So I'm super excited to go. And yeah, I'll be vlogging on there. And that one is called LG Adventures for Lizzie and Glenn. So there we're going to talk about Funkos, Disney stuff, our collectibles, Glenn's Legos. It's going to be a channel for both of us. So if you want to subscribe and if you're into that, then that's what that channel will be. So I'm excited because we'll put like our Halloween Horror Nights, all that kind of stuff on there. I just want to separate, and I know 3 channels is crazy, but I rather categorize it so that you know what you're going to get, you know, type of thing, because I don't want to add in too much mumbo jumbo on each channel. I just want to separate it so you know what you're going to get. Okay, I'm going to get going. I am set for the day. Hopefully this helped you out. Just like, you know, little tips and tricks, little quick out the door routine. And that is it. The only thing I will say is this is going to transfer. So if you want to not wear lipstick color because it masks, then obviously you can do that. Or you can wear a liquid lipstick. There you go. So yeah, but I just go with this because I switch out my mask every day. All right, guys, I'm going to get going. I hope you enjoyed this quick get ready with me and update, and I will see you guys in the next video. Mwah.